You think dollar's rebound is looking fragile, is that right?
Well, I mean, at this stage, I would say it's premature, to expect a firm rebound. We have seen a lot of all this short-term technical rebounds over the past few months, and it ends in disappointment. And I think a lot of people are talking about, owing this to Mr. Jerome Powell's slightly more confident and hawkish testimony, and which is true to a certain extent. He's talked a lot about, better growth outlook since December, and that he said clearly inflation in the US is tracking towards 2%.
Do you believe he means 4 rate hikes this year?
No. We are at this stage, we are still calling for 3. Okay. And I think the stability in the dollar that we saw over the past few days is more of the market gravitating firmly from an uncertain 2 hikes to a much more firm and confident 3 hikes.
So what would it take to make you think the dollar's strength or rebound is going to stick, that it can keep it up or continue? Is it the new dot plots, if they show, point towards 4? Is it PCE come tonight Asia time, if it beats massively? Is it, say, the jobs report coming up soon as well?
You said it. So the dot plot is after the fact, of course. Yeah. And I think the 2 key data points we need to see right now is, of course, tonight's basically PCE, and then next Friday's wage growth. Everybody has a good handle of all these numbers, and if we do see, inflation in the US stabilizing, then perhaps, it will gravitate a bit more of the dot plot to a much more higher level. Anything case to point, the US dollar, if you look at it broadly, since when Mr. Trump came on board 13, 14 months ago, it has fallen on average around 10-ish% across the major benchmarks. So when that happens, you're going to have a little bit more inflation in the US, given the weaker dollar.